Are you struggling to stay positive in your life? Are you surrounded by negative people or negative things? Or you're thinking that things are not working out as you are thinking to be? This session today is for those people who are having negative thinking or surrounded by negative people and they want to stay positive. How to stay positive in life? This is Kavita Verma, Masters in Psychology, pursuing PhD in Psychology. Came with the session regarding this topic. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can stay positive in your life, how you can tackle those people who are negative around you, and how you can be positive still if you are having the negative mindset. So now let's start with this topic. So number 1 tip is be confident in your life. How you can be confident now? This is the question arises, right? Once you start your day, how you manage your day or how you think that that day goes in a wrong way or in a right way. How do you decide that? Yes, you don't decide it, but your thinking decides, right? When you think in a right way, your whole day goes in a right way and you become positive about your whole day. And it's really important when you feel confident that your day is going to be in a right way and you feel that the things you are going to do or the things are happening around you is positive, then definitely it's gonna come with the positive results. Number two point is try to meditate. Now the question comes, why meditation is important and how it is going to help you in your day-to-day life and how you can be positive, like how it is connected to your life. When you meditate, it really helps you try to make you calm, composed and quiet or silent, you can say in other terms. Your reaction goes in a very low level normally in comparison to other people, how the people react to your reactions or how you react to others' emotions or reactions. So when you meditate, you become a very calm and composed person because that takes you in a deep level at your inner side, which really helps to make you confident enough about yourself. You just make aware about yourself and you feel really relaxed in order to achieve certain goal in your life, and you don't really goes to the very stress level or you just very make yourself relaxed in a very relaxed way in comparison to those people who are very frustrated and panicked in their behavior about their life. The third important point is eat healthy food. It really is gonna help you when you eat properly or take a healthy diet. That's gonna very influenced into your life and your lifestyle also. When you are eating healthy food and your habits are healthy in the eating terms, then it's gonna show in your personality, in your physical features, and you become healthy in terms of any illness or diseases. You just make yourself safe surround the environment. The fourth point is avoid criticism. How criticism is connected to the positive attitude. Because when you listen those people who are thinking negative about you or talking something negative about you, then that is really gonna influence your behavior and what you think actually about yourself. That is really influenced by those people who are criticizing about you. So when you listen to those people, try to avoid the things they are talking about you, because they are negatively influencing your behavior about yourself, and you think that you are not confident enough, you feel low in terms of confidence when those people think that you are not capable enough to do something, or you are not capable enough to perform the task. So that's really important, that avoid criticism. Just listen to your heart. What is your heart is saying? Think only what you know about yourself, not listen to those people, what the other people are saying about you, because that is really gonna destroy your confidence at a bigger level. The fifth important point is try to exercise regularly, because when you exercise regularly, it regulates your blood flow in a very good way, and you feel healthy, you feel good in your inner self. Because when you do the exercises, the normal exercises, running, walking, normal exercises in your home, even when the pandemic is going on, so it's gonna help you to feel healthy from your inner self also. You also feel that you are in a very healthy environment, and it really makes you feel comfortable. The sixth important point is try to listen your inner voice. That really magical when you try to listen your inner voice, means what your heart says. When you really listen to your inner voice, that is gonna tell you the truth about yourself. Just remember your past memories when you were capable enough to perform something and you achieved also that particular success. You just remind yourself those moments when you really succeed in your life. The smaller to the bigger ones, you can remind yourself, and you can think at that level that when you can achieve those things in your life, you are capable enough to achieve right now even. So that is really important to have inner voice, and try to listen that inner voice, which is really gonna help you for your future path. The seventh important point is be happy. Yes, when you are happy and when you feel happy from inside, that nobody can stop you to be positive in your life. When you be happy always, whatever the situations you are in, even you are in a worse situations, and you try to upgrade yourself and satisfied with the present situation, then definitely it's gonna work out for your future. Because when you are happy, you feel the feeling of being good in your life, and you feel that your future will be perfect. So the eighth important point is self-realization and self-insight. Now you are thinking that what is self-realization? The name tells you itself. This self-realization is realizing about yourself. Your self-insight takes very important role in your positive attitude. When you are realized that you are capable enough, you are confident enough, you are good human being, you are good at your you are good at your things, you are good mother, you are good wife, you are good son, or you are good a daughter, then definitely it's gonna help you that when you're realizing that you are capable enough, you are having that insight about yourself, you are self-aware. The self-awareness takes very important role to stay positive in your life. Because when you only listen to people, what they are thinking about yourself, you make a frame about yourself. Yes, these people are talking about me and I am that person. You just label about yourself. Just label to yourself, and that's not a right thing. Labeling is very destructive for being confident in life. So don't try to be labeled yourself, because when you are self-realized and self-insight and you are aware about yourself and your capability, nobody can make yourself low in any terms. So be self-realized and just make yourself aware about your capabilities. The ninth important point is don't give up. Yes, when you give up, then everybody will say about you that you can't do anything. It's not possible for you. You are not working out. You are the one who always low and you are not having the hope. Yes, this is the reason you are not having the hope. This is the reason you give up whatever the things you want to do, or you want to perform any task, or you are doing anything in your life that's really important. Until and unless you fight for something, whatever you want to achieve, and you don't give up the things in your path to be succeed. So the very important thing in your life is don't give up, fight back, whatever the problems you are facing, whatever the things, the worst situations you are in, one day you will overcome those problems definitely. So try, don't give up and fight back for the things that is right for you, and against for those persons who are make yourself low. The 10th and very important point is create a purpose of your life. When you are not having any path, you are not deciding anything of your life, or you're not deciding anything for your life, how you can be stay positive for your life? Because you are having no meaning in your life. Until and unless you are not having any meaning of your life, you are not setting any goal of your life or purpose of your life, you are not able to stay positive in your life. That's a very important thing that makes you passionate, that makes you compassionate, that makes you a person who is very willing to do something in your life. The willpower comes when you are having the purpose of your life. So the session is related to staying positive, and I have given you 10 recommendations how you can stay positive in your life, and it really works out because I have seen these 10 tips really work out to stay positive in the life of people. So this session is going to over. I'll come with the another session to help you out regarding the psychological problems or being positive in your life. If you like my content, please like it, subscribe it, and share this knowledge to everyone. Thank you.